Welcome to HIFEN's world. Cuba. Cuba is an island nation located in the Caribbean, just south of Florida. It is the largest island in the Caribbean and has a population of approximately 11 million people. Cuba has a rich cultural heritage, influenced by Spanish, African, and indigenous influences. The history of Cuba is long and complex, with a legacy of colonization, slavery, and political turmoil. The island was originally inhabited by indigenous peoples, but in the late 15th century, the Spanish colonized the island and brought African slaves to work on plantations. Cuba gained its independence from Spain in 1898, but soon became a U.S. protectorate, and later, a communist state. The economy of Cuba is dominated by the government and is heavily dependent on agriculture, particularly the production of sugar, tobacco, and coffee. The country is also known for its rum and cigars, which are exported around the world. In recent years, Cuba has also developed a growing tourism industry, with visitors coming to see the country's natural beauty and cultural attractions. Cuba is known for its vibrant culture, including music, dance, and art. The country's unique blend of Spanish, African, and indigenous influences has created a rich and diverse cultural heritage. The music of Cuba, including salsa, rumba, and son, is world-renowned, as are the country's many festivals and celebrations. Cuba is also a country of natural beauty, with stunning beaches, lush forests, and mountains. The country is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the colonial city of Trinidad and the Vinales Valley, known for its tobacco farms and unique karst landscape. Cuba has faced many challenges, including poverty, inequality, and political repression. The country has been under communist rule since 1959, with the government tightly controlling all aspects of society, including the media, the economy, and the political system. Human rights abuses, including restrictions on freedom of speech and assembly, are common. Despite these challenges, Cuba has made significant progress in areas such as healthcare and education. The country has a well-developed healthcare system, with doctors and medical professionals available to all citizens free of charge. The country has also made significant strides in education, with a literacy rate of over 99%. Overall, Cuba is a country with a rich history and culture, but it faces many challenges in terms of poverty, inequality, and political repression. The future of Cuba will depend on how well the government is able to address these issues and build a more democratic and open society that can provide for the needs of its citizens.